Hi guys, and welcome to another C tutorial. Today we'll be discussing about pointers. Now pointers are used when we have to point to a certain variable. Now to declare a pointer we use the star sign to indicate that this is not a normal variable and that it's a variable that points to a certain variable. We'll declare a variable with with a value of 7, and then let's point our variable p to a. To point the variable we'll use the ampersand sign. The ampersand sign basically means address of. So now this means p points towards a. Now let's print the contents of the variable to which p points to. To do that, we again use the star sign along with our variable. If we do not use the star sign, what we'll get for that we'll use %x. Basically, if we do not use the star sign, we get the address of the variable to which p points to. Let's try running this on our compiler. Let's start another project. Start a new empty file. Let's name this pointers in C. Let's include our header file. Start our program. Now I'll copy my code. Now let's add return 0 here, and then let's see and run and see what our program does. Why isn't it not running? Oh, sorry. Let's run it again. As you can see, 7 is printed on our first printf statement because we used the star sign to indicate the contents of the variable to which p points to. So we use the 7, and now since we used only p and the %x sign, it gives us the address to which p points to. Now let's try using this in arrays. Also, before we jump onto arrays, we can also change the contents of the variable to which p points to by using the star sign again and assigning a new value. Let's assign 10 this time, and let's try printing a now. %d a. I'll add \n over here. Sorry about that. As you can see, the new value of a was now 10 because we pointed towards the contents of a and we changed the value. Now let's see how we can use pointers in an array. Let's declare a array variable of size 5, and let's add values to it. 3, 5, 1, 9, and finally 2. Now let's declare another pointer variable p, and let's assign this to the address of the 0th index of a. And let's print out the contents. As you can see, on our 0th index we had 3, and then we pointed towards the 0th index through our pointer variable, and hence we got 3 on our printf statement. Now if we apply an arithmetic operator such as a plus sign, it will move ahead of the index, such as if we use plus 2, it will jump 2 indexes forward, such as if it's 3 it will go up to 1, since 1 and 2, so it will go to 1. Let's try and running it again. Sorry, we had the console running already. Running it again, and as you can see we have 5 now. Sorry, we will actually not do 2, let's try 3. 0 1 2, so p plus 2, and then yeah, let's try 3. As you can see it moved. We don't have 6. Why did okay, my bad. We'll do star p. Let's make this in brackets. Okay, we have an error over here. Okay, we missed out at the closing bracket. As you can see, we moved 3 steps ahead and it pointed towards 9, like 1, 2 and 3. So now it points towards 9. That's it for today. I hope you enjoyed today's video on how we can use pointer variables to point towards other variables.